Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Nifty in 15 minutes chat pattern. We have seen a very good opening, and there was some short covering in the first half. And this was our resistance level. It was a false breakout. It was traded near our resistance levels only, above our resistance levels, and has given a 100 points of positive closing. Whereas in Bank Nifty, what happened in 15 minutes chat pattern, there was a very good opening, but there was a down declining sell off only we have seen. And Bank Nifty has closed with 84 points negative. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planning for the month end expiry. FII in options input, they were holding 3 lakhs of put buying contract. Now they have unwinded 23,000 contracts. So they have 2.90 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 2.75 lakhs of call buying. Today they have unwinded 7,000 contracts. So they have 2.68 lakhs of call buying contract. So equal number of call versus put, they are neutral in options in future index. 48% long, 52% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short, and in cash flow we have seen they have purchased for 922 crores. So see, FII view, they have hedged their positions in F&O, but they are going long in cash market. Client are the retailers input, they were holding 3 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1.21 lakhs of put writing. It means they have booked the profit on the put side, now holding 1.85 lakhs of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 2.61 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1.73 lakhs of call writing, so they have 88,000 contract of call writing. It means they are bullish in options. Future index 51% long, 49% shorts, no changes. Stock future percentage 84% long, 16% short, and they sold for 368 crores in the cash market. So see, they don't have any view in futures, but in options they are positive. Promoters input, they were holding 1 lakh of put writing contract. Today they have added 98,000 contracts, so they have 2 lakhs of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 13,000 of call writing. Today they have increased 1.66 lakhs of call writing, so they have 1.80 lakhs of call writing contract. So this we can consider as neutral only, because call versus put writing they have done. In future index 48% long, 52% short. It means they have increased the long, reduced the short by 3 percentage. In cash flow, they have purchased for 334 crores. Promoter hedge their positions and going long in cash market. DIA have purchased for 600 crores, so the cash flow was 1,494 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this month end is at 1.09 and Bank Nifty is at 0.86. It means a good buying has to come in Bank Nifty for this week, and whereas Nifty is at neutral to positive zone. For month end, Nifty is at 1.72 and Bank Nifty is at 1.39. It means Nifty is at overbought zone and Bank Nifty is slightly going into overbought zone. It means we are super bullish for the month end. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty what happened today. So we have seen a good call writing unwinding from 18,100 to 18,250. A huge unwinding at 18,200 only. So people carry forwarding 18,300 short straddle. It means the max pain is at 18,300. Most probably the big player want to close this expiry near 18,300 only. So major support we have at 18,200 and major resistance we have at 18,500 for this month end. Let's check the Bank Nifty. People have added call writing and put writing from 43,800 to 44,000. A huge call writing at 44,000 only. It is next to impossible to break the 44,000 levels as per the change in OI. A major support will be at 43,500 and major resistance we have at 44,000 only. So see, once 44,000 is decisively broken and it sustained for more than 3 hours, then we can see a very big rally in Bank Nifty. If 44,000 is broken with good volume and traded for 3 hours. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 15 minutes chat pattern, they have opened positive and they're trading with 60 points positive, whereas Dow is trading 80 points negative. SGX trading flat by 16 points. Today India VIX has gone up by 2%. They are at 12.57, very much comfortable. So Nifty in 1 day time frame, as we have discussed in last analysis video, tomorrow if there is a very good green closing, so we can blindly go long. So see, we have a very good green positive closing. As per the price action, it is a morning star, it is a super bullish chat pattern. Whereas in bank nifty, what we have, it is kind of a doji candle. So it is still unknown condition. Here we have seen a buyer have won, but candle has formed red, but still the buyer has a very good value here. So most probably it has to trade in this range only until unless it has broken on the higher side or a lower side as per the price action. So mark the algo points. Nifty support will be at 18,216 and first resistance is at 18,372. Bank Nifty first support is at 43,704. First resistance is at 44,046. So see, as per the open interest analysis, market data is neutral only. We don't have huge negative, huge positive. Big player have hedged all the positions on higher side and lower side. The market has not to go anywhere as per the change in OI. But any good movement on a upper side, we can see a good rally. On a lower side also, we can see a 300 to 500 points rally. So I believe we can get a good scalping trade on both the side in intraday, buy on dip and sell on rise. But for tomorrow, it has to be sideways only. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.